See if you guys can do this one here. Make X the subject. So make X a subject. Notice here that all these are numbers. You don't have anything like a to the power 3, b to the power 5, or 3y, 3z squared. You don't have any of that. So hang on. Because all these are numbers, something weird happens. So well, anyway, just make X the subject. Press pause and have a go. So here we are trying to make X a subject. Visualize it as this. You've got one bubble here, and you've got another bubble here. Don't forget, these are also bubbles here. So you've got two layers. You've got two layers here. 1, 2. So multiply. Try and get everything onto one layer. So multiply both sides by 4x. We could multiply both sides by this, by the way, but I'm choosing 4x at random. Okay. So we are here at the moment. Inside your mind, multiply 4x to both sides. So you have this 3, and then and remember, when you multiply by 4x, it gets multiplied to the top. Okay, so it will be 20x over 2x minus 3. Okay, and now visualize as this. You've got this bubble here. So you've got two layers here. Try and get everything onto one layer. So multiply both sides by the bottom bubble. So you have this 3 bracket 2x minus 3, close it, equals 20x. Okay, and now break it up. Break this up here. So this times this, it will be 6x, and then this times this, it would be minus 9 equals 20x. Okay, so now and now it's like you having 20 bags on this side, 6 bags on this side. It's like you having a balance here. You've got 20 bags on this side, and 6 bags on this side here. So it's probably easier to throw away 6 bags on each side. Well, anyway, when you are here, take away 6x from both sides. So on this side it would be minus 9. On this side it would be 14x. Okay. Now divide both sides by 14. So you will have x on this side. You will have minus 9 over 14. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now it's your turn. Okay. Given this, make. Oh, I forgot to mention something. Sorry. Because this formula here, so this equation here, it doesn't contain any a squared or y to the power of 7b squared. They're all numbers. So if you look at this here, it's just a number. X. The answer in this case is just a number. A fraction is a number. So there's none of this x. Sorry, there's none of these 4a to the power 3b squared. It's just a pure number. Okay, minus 9 over 14. It's just a number. This is so when you get something like this with no letters or anything, just numbers, your answer will be a number. Okay, or a pure number with no letters or no variables or whatever. Okay, so anyway, make X the subject here. So press. Well, I can either say make X the subject here or solve X, because ultimately you're going to get to one number. You're not going to get any. You're not going to get a formula like A, B, whatever. So in this case here, I can say solve X, because you will get to one number. Okay. Yeah. So solve X or make X the subject is up to you. So press pause and have a go. Okay. So here you've got a bubble here and a bubble here. Don't forget you've got two layers on both sides. So let's times both sides by this thing here. So inside your mind, times both sides by this bubble here. So it will be 7 on this side. And remember, when you times when you times that bubble there, it gets multiplied to the top. Okay, so it will be 6 bracket 4x minus 3, close it, over 5x. Okay, and now times both sides by this bubble here. So it would be 35x. Sorry, 35x. And on this side it would be 6 bracket 4x minus 3. And now keep an eye on x. You're trying to make x a subject. X is stuck in this bubble here, so if you use this technique, you will break it up into two smaller bubbles. So it will be 24x, and then this times this, it will be minus 18. This here will be this here, and now over here you've got 35 bags. Over here you've got 24 bags. So so take away 24 from both sides. Okay, so so it will be 11 bags. Well, sorry, 11x on this side, and this side will be minus 18. Now divide both sides by 11, so it will be this minus 18 over 11. Okay, so this is your answer. Have a quick glance to see if you can simplify this. I don't think you can, so leave it as it is.